Last night, SEC filings showed that Elon Musk sold 3.6 billion worth of shares, about 22 million Tesla shares over the first 3 days of the week. And that brings his year-to-date sale total to around $40 billion. If you were to run the slide rule down that, JD, you'd probably see that he has earned more by selling Tesla shares than Tesla has ever earned making cars in its, 15-year history. That's a pretty stark reflection of what's happening right now. He is, of course, having to satisfy lenders who provided about $13 billion in financing for the Twitter acquisition. He's trying to make Twitter profitable despite a pullback in ad spending and all sorts of questions about user safety, about censorship, about shadow banning and malevolent content on the platform. And he's trying to do all this whilst at the same time Tesla is facing headwinds with respect to production abilities in China, demand in the world's biggest car market, and indeed just a pullback in spending that was reflected in retail sales today. This is a really, really challenging period for anyone, let alone somebody who's trying to run 3 or 4 companies at the same time.
Let's pull up this Elon Musk tweet. We alluded to it here a moment ago. I believe our producers have it locked and loaded. That's how we go. All right, he says, I'll make sure Tesla shareholders benefit from Twitter long-term. Are the Tesla bulls losing patience at this point?
This is a tweet that probably has as much value as an FTT token, to be perfectly honest, JD. It means nothing. And the fact that he thinks he is going to make Tesla shareholders benefit from what he's doing with Twitter just has absolutely no basis in fact. And I shouldn't imagine no basis in future either. You're talking about an attempt to deliver between $600 and $700 billion worth of value back to Tesla investors, because that's what's been shedded over the past 52 weeks. The stock is trading at a 2-year low, and it's suffering its biggest peak-to-trough decline on record. If Mr. Musk feels that he can somehow redress that for long-suffering Tesla shareholders, well, I think they deserve a little bit more than 22 characters in a tweet.